I don't have really super positive feelings about the mining industry. My attitude toward mining has changed. I think it was very informative for me to see more 21st century mining practices.
On the negative side, of course, it's environmental impact, climate change, and pollution.
My thoughts about the mining industry have moved from skepticism and criticism to a more informed, nuanced understanding.
See You at the Mine is a 5-day mining and minerals-themed teacher professional learning academy hosted by the University of Arizona School of Mining Engineering and Mineral Resources Education Outreach Program. During the summer of 2025, 93 teachers over 3 sessions spent a week engaging with innovative classroom lessons and activities aligned to the Arizona science standards, working with leading experts from industry and academia, and touring museums, mine sites, and the facilities of key industry partners.
Well, I got everything and more than I honestly expected. Got to tour the mines, got to meet some really cool, influential people, even caught myself looking at mining jobs during free time, and be able to just educate myself further for my kids.
I guess I'm now an advocate for mining, if you will. I definitely came home from the class and started telling everybody I know, hey, you really should get into mining.
My thoughts have kind of almost taken a complete 360. It's just so very important. This year, I am really excited to incorporate and educate students on why mining is important.
I feel like the media has given the mining industry a really bad rap, and then they happily use their products. I teach my students that there's plenty of high-paying jobs in the mining industry, as well as scholarships available.
I realized that I need to try to do my part and help students become interested in considering taking this as a career path.
Yes, my thoughts of the mining industry has changed dramatically. I kind of feel like I missed my calling. I would love to be involved in that, and sometimes I wonder if it's too late. And I plan to expose my students to as much as I can.
Honestly, I initially was more concerned about environmental issues at the beginning of this. And then I learned about mine reclamation. The importance of mineral and mining to our lives is essentially everything. Now I can't help but drive down the road and I look at things and I'm like, oh, that was done through mining.
After this workshop, I've already started designing the lesson that I want to submit, and also lessons that I will be teaching in the beginning of the year, and what great opportunities there are for kids should they choose to pursue this career. So
before, I used to think mining was mostly harmful to the environment and also for communities. But the academy showed me that responsible mining is not only possible, but is actively happening. I want my students to see mining as a necessary industry with real career opportunities. Especially as we look towards sustainable practices and technology that improve the field.